In this video, I'll show you how to put a QR code on anything you print and find out whether it was worth printing. QR codes live under sites. Bloom has 3 already: a card on the reception desk, a flyer, and a sticker in the window. Every one of them is a picture pointing at a link. And this column is the reason to make them here rather than on a free website. Every scan is counted, so you stop guessing which piece of print did something. The flyer has pulled 118. The window sticker has pulled 7, which tells you something too. Let's make one. New QR code. Give it a label you'll recognize in the list later, because in 6 months you will not remember which code was which. Now the good bit. Rather than making you go and find a URL, it offers you your own links. Your booking pages, your forms, your quizzes, your landing pages. We'll point this one at the new client intake form. It fills the destination in for you, so there's no URL to mistype and no wrong link on 1,000 printed flyers. Create. And there's the new one, at the top of the list with nothing scanned yet. Click the code itself to get the artwork. A PNG for anything you're printing, an SVG if your designer wants it sharp at any size, and the tracking link on its own if you'd rather paste that somewhere. Close that. So what does a scan do? Here's the reception card's link. Open the way a phone camera would open it. It goes through ClientBranch, counts the scan, and drops the person straight on the page you pointed it at. They see none of that, they just see your quiz. And back on the list, the reception card has gone from 46 scans to 47. 1 scan counted against the piece of print that earned it. One thing worth knowing before you send anything to the printer: a code points at the link you gave it and keeps pointing there, so get the destination right first, then print. Thanks for watching.